Hi, L.Wallace of Midwest Landscaping, www.uniquenvironments.com. We're here in Northridge, California, and we have a device that I'm going to use to measure between the Kurapia that we're installing. We're installing the Kurapia plugs, Kurapia utility ground cover, and I use this device here to measure 15 inches on center. It's been recommended that we plant these plugs 15 inches on center, so from point A to point B is 15 inches. It's made out of 3/4 inch PVC, and I use some blue lock fittings. You can get those at the Home Depot, these blue lock elbows. And I have a distance here so I can be able to hold it. And I've already made one row of holes, which is basically about 15 inches apart. And so I'm going to show you, we like to do what we call a triangular spacing in installing the Kurapia. And that means it's going to be like a triangle type of angle. So when the Kurapia grows in, it'll fill in a lot better. So we got 15 inches by 15, center it. So you see you have pretty much a triangular type of spacing. Go 15 in the middle. So you got 3, do one more. So you go 15 in the middle. So we have a triangular type spacing here. And these are our Kurapia plugs that we use. If you notice that the Kurapia plug, it has quite a bit of root system. Root mass is like about 3 inches of roots, which is good. So we'll take this plug and put it in. Let's bring the dirt up all around it. We almost like cover it. It's not too big a deal to cover it up because that Kurapia will grow out. So we'll bring the soil up around it like this. A little bit more. Bring that soil up around it. So our last piece here, last plug, put that in like that. And then what we do is step on it. Just a slight step just to compact it down, get some of the air pockets out, and also be able to firm it up. And then we'll come through and water the Kurapia, and it will take off. It's going to take about 2 weeks for it to establish itself, and then it'll start taking out. It'll grow down and out before it grows up and out on the top. But that's the process that we use in order to install the Kurapia utility ground cover from plugs. We use a product that's called C Extra, which is a soil nutrient, plant nutrient, and it's made from a seaweed and kelp, ingredients of seaweed and kelp, and some other vitamins and things for the plants. But if you can see here, all the different plugs that's already been planted from the standpoint of the triangular spacing, and we'll have it on an irrigation system. We'll turn it on and keep it moist. So in about 3 weeks, you should be able to notice the difference in the plants taking off. So that's the process that we use in planting Kurapia utility ground cover. L.Wallace, Midwest Landscaping, tips and ideas, www.uniquenvironments.com.